Hey, I'm Jaron. We've built a groove using Cubase 14's new drum track and pattern sequencer. Now it's time to add some chords into the mix. I'm going to play a simple piano sound to get an idea going. Let's see what we can come up with. Okay, cool. I like this C minor vibe that we're working with here. I like this voicing, C minor 11. In most DAWs and pieces of musical technology, making a verbal comment or observation of what chord you are playing is the extent of what the software offers you. But now, Cubase 14 offers so much more. The score editor has been completely revamped. It's a lot like Dorico now, which is an amazing notation software. Let me show you what having this score editor integrated into Cubase can do for your mentality and your approach to music making. First, let's draw in a MIDI region. We'll make it 4 bars long. We'll click into this and we'll see what we are accustomed to seeing, a piano roll, which is a fantastic tool for writing, visualizing, and editing MIDI. It's tried and true, and every DAW has a piano roll. What very few pieces of musical technology have is a way to also visualize your musical ideas in traditional notation. And even if you don't read or write traditional music notation, having a place to notate chord symbols can radically change how you're able to organize your musical thoughts as you create a beat, a track, a song, a score, whatever it is you're working on. If you click the arrow next to Editor, you'll see that you have an option for Score Editor. And when you click that, all of a sudden we have music notation. If we go over here to the text and choose this chord symbol, we can very easily just click above bar 1 and type in the chord I was playing, C minor 11. That's C minor, and you'll notice as you click it, it plays the chord. And I want minor 11. There we go. That's a bit closer to what I was playing. But it's not exactly what I was playing. I was playing this, which is my customized choice of how to voice that chord. But you don't need to know how to do that because you can just type in the chords in the score editor. Remember, we have nothing recorded into the MIDI. This is an empty MIDI region, but we can notate chord symbols into it. And even with just one click, it will play a voicing of that chord using the sound you have on that track. The idea I was playing started on C minor 11, played that for 2 bars, and then moved to G minor 9 for 2 bars in bars 3 and 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and click chord symbol another time, and now over bar 3, I'm just gonna type in G minor 9. And again, I'm not even playing any keyboard there. I just type it in, or you can re-click the chord symbol, and there you go. It's actually notated a little bit beyond bar 3. I'm going to scoot this over, and now you can see that it is on the bar. 2 great voicings there. Fantastic. Another thing you'll notice is that in the main timeline window here, there is a chord track where you can see these chords reflected above. This is super powerful, and I cannot wait to see what Cubase does to integrate even more functionality and features from Dorico into the score editor of Cubase. Now that I have this chord guide in my project, I am not swimming in an endless ocean of piano rolls and MIDI clips where I have to refer to other tracks to figure out what is going on in this one part or what the bass is doing. Now you can use this tried and true method of notating chord symbols as a very broad but very useful way to organize what's going on in your music, right here in the DAW, right there, constantly visible in the chord track. Amazing. Now I'm going to play my rendition of this chord progression using my voicings to build out the harmony of this groove over the drum track we created in the previous chapter. We've got a groove, we've got some chords, and thanks to Cubase 14's new score editor, we have those chords easily notated. Next, we'll explore Studio Delay, a new delay effect in Cubase 14, and we'll see how it can bring a more electronic, contemporary texture to the track. See you there.